Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Science Simplified. Today we're diving into an essential part of chemistry, quantitative measurements. Now don't worry, this might sound like a big word, but by the end of this video you'll see how simple and useful it really is. So grab your lab goggles and let's get started. In chemistry, we use two types of observations, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative observations describe things using words like saying a solution is blue or smells sweet. Their qualities. Quantitative observations, on the other hand, involve numbers like measuring the volume of a liquid or the temperature of a reaction. Quantitative measurements are all about precision. They tell us how big, how much, or how many. And in chemistry, numbers matter a lot because they help us understand and predict chemical reactions. Now, to make measurements meaningful, we need units. Units tell us what we're measuring and make it possible for scientists around the world to understand each other. Here are a few common units you'll encounter in chemistry. Mass, measured in grams, little g. Volume is measured in milliliters, ml, or liters, L. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Without units, a number like 10 doesn't tell us much. Is it 10 grams, 10 liters, 10 bananas? Always include the units. To make quantitative measurements, we use specific tools. Let's check out a few. For mass, we use a balance. Make sure to zero it out before you start measuring. For volume, we use a graduated cylinder. Remember to read the measurement at eye level and look at the bottom of the meniscus. That's the curve at the top of the liquid. For temperature, we use a thermometer. It's as simple as placing it in your solution and waiting for the reading to stabilize. In science, we care about two main ideas, accuracy and precision. Accuracy is about getting the correct result, like hitting the bullseye on a dartboard. Now, precision is all about consonancy, like hitting the same spot over and over and over, even if it's not the bullseye. When we measure in chemistry, we want both accurate and precise results. That's why we double check our tools and techniques. Why is it so important? Because in chemistry, even small errors can lead to big problems. Imagine adding too much of a chemical to a reaction. It could overflow or fail completely. But with accurate, precise, and properly measured quantities, everything works as it should. So that's the magic of quantitative measurements. They help us make sense of the world on a microscopic scale. Whether you're measuring mass, volume, or temperature, remember to use the right tools, include your units, and aim for accuracy and precision. Now it's your turn. Grab some tools, try some measurements, and see chemistry in action.